12 household uses for WD-40 to make your life easier. When you think of WD-40, chances are you picture fixing squeaky hinges or loosening a stubborn bolt. But this little blue can of magic can do so much more than just lubricate. From general household fixes to clever garden and outdoor uses, it can make your daily life easier in ways you never imagined. Without further ado, here are some brilliant household uses for WD-40 that will save you time, effort, and even a little frustration. Number 1. Separate glassware. Ever stacked glasses or bowls together only to find that they're stuck like glue? Instead of risking a shattered mess by trying to pull them apart too hard, grab your trusty can of WD-40. Spray a small amount around the rim where the glassware is stuck and let it seep into the gap. After a few minutes, gently twist and they'll come apart with ease. Just be sure to wash the glassware thoroughly afterward with warm, soapy water to remove any residue before using them for food or drinks. Number 2. Get rid of stuck-on gum. Whether it's on the bottom of your shoe, stuck to clothing, or tangled in carpet fibers, trying to remove sticky gum is an absolute nightmare. But don't worry, this trick will save the day. Rather than wasting time trying to scrape it off with a stick or ruining your nails, reach for WD-40. Spray it directly onto the gum, let it sit for a minute, and then use a paper towel or an old toothbrush to remove it. Number 3. Remove tar, bugs, and tree sap from cars. If your car has ever been the unfortunate target of tar splatters, bug guts, or sticky tree sap, you know how stubborn these messes can be. Forget about scrubbing endlessly or using harsh chemicals that might damage the paint. Instead, spray some WD-40 on the affected area. After a couple of minutes, simply wipe away the mess with a microfiber cloth. Follow up with a proper wash to ensure a clean, streak-free finish. Number 4. Loosen rings. Struggling to get a tight ring off your finger? Perhaps it's due to swelling, heat, or just an awkward fit. No worries. WD-40 can make the process much easier. Just spray a small amount around the ring, give it a gentle twist, and you'll find it slides right off. Remember to wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water afterward to remove any leftover residue. Number 5. Prevent wasps from building a nest. Tired of wasps setting up camp in the eaves of your house or inside your mailbox? A strategic spray of WD-40 in those areas can prevent these little buggers from building nests in the first place. Wasps don't really like the slick, oily surface WD-40 creates, and it disrupts their ability to attach their nests. Spray problem areas at the start of wasp season to keep them away. Additionally, WD-40 acts as a deterrent by masking the pheromones wasps use to mark potential nesting sites. Regular application in high-risk areas will ensure that your home remains wasp-free throughout the season. Number 6. Stop creaky floorboards. That annoying creak in your floorboards can be silenced with a quick spray of WD-40. Apply it to the seams where the wood rubs together and allow it to soak in before walking on the area again. The lubricant reduces friction between the boards, eliminating that telltale squeak that gives away every midnight snack run. Unlike traditional methods like powdered graphite, WD-40 provides a longer-lasting solution and also protects against moisture, which can worsen creaking over time. Number 7. Get rid of adhesive residue. Sticky labels, tape marks, and stubborn price tag residue can be a real pain to remove. Instead of scraping away at them, spray WD-40 onto the affected area and let it sit for a few minutes. The solvent properties of WD-40 break down adhesives, so you can easily remove them without damaging surfaces. This works on glass, plastic, and even painted walls. Number 8. Remove water stains from glass shower doors. Hard water stains can make your shower doors look foggy and grimy. But a simple application of WD-40 can dissolve mineral deposits and soap scum with minimal effort. Spray a light coat onto the glass, allow it to sit for a few minutes, and then wipe away the residue with a clean cloth for a crystal clear finish. To keep your shower looking fresh, reapply every few weeks as part of your regular cleaning routine. Number 9. Remove grease and grime from your hands. Working on cars, gardening, or doing any DIY project often leaves your hands covered in grease and grime. And sometimes regular soap just doesn't cut it. WD-40 can break down stubborn grease and make cleanup easier. Spray a small amount onto your hands, rub them together, and wipe off with a paper towel before washing with soap and water. Number 10. Lubricate lawnmower blades. Grass and dirt can build up on lawnmower blades, making mowing less efficient. Guess what? Spraying a coat of WD-40 on the underside of the mower deck and the blades prevents clippings from sticking. This trick reduces maintenance time and helps it run smoothly. By keeping the blades clean and free from debris, you'll get a more even cut and prolong the life of the mower. Number 11. Repel slugs from garden beds. Slugs and snails love munching on your garden plants, but WD-40 can help keep them at bay. Spraying a thin barrier of WD-40 along the edges of your flower pots or garden beds makes the surface too slippery for these pests to climb. And since WD-40 is water resistant, it lasts longer than many chemical repellents. Number 12. Protect winter boots from salt stains. Winter roads and sidewalks are often covered in salt, which can cause unsightly stains and damage to your boots. Spraying WD-40 on your winter footwear before heading out creates a protective barrier that repels moisture and prevents salt from soaking into the material. After returning home, simply wipe your boots down with a damp cloth to remove any excess salt. This method helps extend the life of your footwear while keeping them looking clean all season long. WD-40 is truly a household essential, with uses that extend far beyond the toolbox. Keep a can handy, and you'll always have a quick fix for those little everyday annoyances. Just be sure to always use it in a well-ventilated area, as its fumes can be strong. Before spraying it on fabrics, test it on a small, inconspicuous area to avoid potential staining. Also, WD-40 should be stored safely, away from children and pets, to prevent any accidental exposure. By keeping these precautions in mind, you can safely make the most of this incredibly versatile product. What about you? Do you have a favorite way to use WD-40 that's not on this list? Share your best WD-40 hacks in the comments. We'd love to hear them. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a like and share it with your friends and family, as it helps us produce more valuable content. To stay up to date with our latest videos, remember to hit the subscribe button and enable notifications so you never miss out on any future content.